So over here, you can see that I have a frame. And if I were to go around over here, create some shape, let's say, for example, an ellipse right here, and add in some details. I'm just going to go around and then make some changes. I'm going to maybe change the color right here, change this into a radial gradient. And over here, I'm just going to add in effect of my choice, as you can see right here. So this is what I have, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to right click over here. So once I right click, you can see that I have an option called copy and paste as. So I can copy this as CSS. I can copy this as an SVG, or I can even copy this as a PNG right here. I can copy properties and paste properties over here as well. So now let us try this. So I'm going to go around, create another ellipse right here. So I'm going to go around over here, right click, gonna go on to copy, and over here I'm going to copy properties. So if I were to go around over here, right click, and click on paste properties, you can see that I copy out the color right here. I do not necessarily copy out these things right here, as you can see, but I copy out the color settings, and you can see that I can simply paste it over here. I can also go around, do the same thing over here, paste properties, and that property is applied over here. Similarly, I can go around and copy this as a CSS. So if I were to go around, create a text box and right click and paste it, you can see that I have copied out the CSS code for this effect right here. You can see that this is here. As you can see, you got the height, you got the position right here, and this is an ellipse, as you can see right here. Similarly, I can go around, copy this as an SVG. So if I were to paste this, you can see that it is being pasted out as an SVG graphics, means this is a vector file right here, just like this, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around right here, and I'm going to paste this, copy this as PNG now. So let's copy this as PNG. And if I were to right click and paste this out, I can also go to other application and paste it out over here as well. So I'm just going to copy as PNG. And what happens is that it gets copied as PNG. So I can now paste this out right here, paste this. And then what happens is that there's a PNG file, as you can see right here. So this is not transparent, as you can see. So if I were to zoom in, you can see the pixels right here. And that is what you have right here. So I'm just going to go around, delete all of these right here. Let me just go around, copy this right here. So you can see that I can copy properties right here. I can go around, let me just copy this, and I can paste this out right here. Let me copy this link right here. So what happens is that as I copied out the link to this frame, if I were to go onto a text file right here, if I were to paste this right here, what happens is that it has copied out the link to this exact project file, so that you can paste this onto any web browser and access that out. So that is how you can use the copy as option inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.